Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we are making chicken and veggie curry. The curry I'm using in this recipe is not very spicy, so it is suitable for people that cannot handle the heat or if you're making it for younger kids. Enjoy! So once the oil is hot enough, you can add your onions and first, add aromatics, and just season the oil a bit. And then you want to add in the vegetables and cook them and brown them thoroughly, and then bring them out onto a separate plate while we start with the chicken. Chicken has been browned on both sides, you can add a little bit salting wine just to add a little bit more flavor to it. And then you can add your veggies when they are this brown so that the cooking time can And we're going to add some water and cover and let it cook for a bit. And while it's cooking, we are going to make a slurry so that we can pour it into the dish and make the sauce a little thicker.